and this is my poetry of 2026. On International Women's Day, I just wrote this poetry. Today, the world celebrates women, but I stand here with a different celebration, a question. For a long time, I have been searching for a woman who could become my companion in life. Not merely beautiful, for beauty fades like evening night. Not merely intelligent, for intelligence alone can sometimes turn cold. But someone rare, a woman whose mind is sharp, whose heart is deep, whose courage is quiet, and whose understanding is wider than the horizon. An intellectual, a dreamer, a fighter when needed, a poet when silence arrives. And often I ask myself, where will I find such a woman? Where will I find such a girl? And before that, am I worthy of such a soul? Am I worthy of such a girl? In my confusion, I wandered through the corridors of history. I knocked on the doors of a woman who had once challenged time itself. The first voice I heard comes from the ancient forest of thought. It was Gargi Vachekanvi. She looked at me calmly and said, if you seek a woman of intellect, be ready for questions. She will question the universe and she will question you. If you want her besides you, you must learn to love curiosity more than your own ego. Then, from the soft music of devotion, appeared Mirabai. She smiled gently and said, the woman you seek will know the depth of love. But remember, true love is not possession. If you want her heart, let your love be free, like a song that refuses cages. Suddenly, the sound of horses and battle echoed through time. Before me, there was Rani Lakshmi Bai. Her eyes were fire. She said, the woman we seek will not be fragile. She will walk beside you, not behind you. If you wish to stand with such a woman, kill the cowardice within yourself. Then the room filled with a quiet blue glow, and scientists bent invisible mysteries, Marie Curie. Without looking up, she said, the woman you seek will be curious about the universe. She will ask questions that may disturb your comfort. And if you want her love, do not fear her brilliance. Then a sharp philosophical voice rose, and it was Simone de Beauvoir. She said, do not imagine the woman you seek as a fantasy shaped by you. A woman is not born to fulfill your expectation. A woman is not born to fulfill your expectations. She is someone who must become herself. Soon another figure approached carrying books instead of weapons, Savitri Bai Phule. She spoke firmly. The woman you seek will not only love you, she will also care about the world. If you want such a companion, walk the path of justice. Then the sky itself seemed to open and form of a star descendant, Kalpana Chawla. She said softly, the woman you seek will have dreams larger than the earth. Do not try to shrink her sky. Learn instead how to fly beside her. Then like a whisper of poetry appeared Amrita Pritam. Her words felt like rain. She said, the woman you seek will feel the pain of the world deeply. Respect her sensitivity, for sometimes the strongest hearts are the most fragile ones. And then another gently voice arrived. It was Virginia Woolf. She said, the woman you seek will need space for her thoughts, a room for her own, and if you want her in your life, never imprison her freedom. One by one, these women of history stood around me. Philosophers, poets, rebels, scientists, dreamers. Their voice formed a quiet storm of wisdom. Together they said, the woman you are searching for is not hiding in some different world. She exists somewhere, reading a book under a dim light, working late in laboratory, writing poems no one has read it, fighting quietly for justice, or simply waiting for someone like you worthy of her soul. But remember this carefully, such a woman is not found easily. Before you search for her, you must build yourself. Become a man who respects freedom. Become a man who respects women. A man who listens. A man who does not fear intelligence. A man who understands pain. A man who values equality. Their voices slowly dissolved into the silence of time, and I stood alone again. And I was no longer confused. I realized something simple yet profound. The woman I seek is not a mystery. The real mystery is whether I have begun the journey to become the man she deserves. Perhaps one day, when I grow into that person, when courage lives in my decision, when compassion shapes my words, when respect guides my love, somewhere in the vast world, she will also be walking toward me. And when we finally meet, it will not merely be love, it will be meeting of two long journeys, two independent minds, two independent souls, two free souls choosing each other. And maybe the quiet moment will be the truest celebration of woman this world has ever known. Thank you.